Hi guys, my name's Ian and I work for Training Services Wales. Today we're going to look at 3 short presentations to do with application of numbers and control task planning. The first presentation will just identify key points and where the information is within the control task. The second and third presentations will go into a little bit more detail into the planning side of that. The reasons why we're doing this is because we know that the word assessment or test is a very stressful thing and people can become quite anxious with that. So the more you are familiar with looking at the control task, understanding where that is and what you're supposed to be doing will help you on the day of the assessment itself. So to start with, the first presentation, they're quite short, they last 3 or 4 minutes, and really it's to help you identify where that information is and how to interpret that information. I'm not asking you to do any work with it, it's really about getting familiar with the layout of the paper. So let's take a look at the first presentation.